Summer staycation na sobrang sulit, may magandang beach, malawak na swimming pool, masarap na pagkain, at sobrang daming activities. Santo, I got you. Hi mga ka-travelers, looking for a summer getaway na 2 to 3 hours away lang from Manila. At masasabi kong kulang ang one day stay mo dito, lalo na kung may kids kayong kasama. Today, nandito tayo sa Pico Sands Hotel, located inside the beautiful Pico de Loro Cove in Nasugbu. Guys, ang ganda dito, perfect for a nature lovers. Dumating kami around 12:30 PM, kahit 2 PM pa ang check-in. Buti na lang ready na yung room namin, kaya nakapag-check-in agad kami. May 1,000 pesos deposit upon check-in, refundable naman upon check-out. Pagpasok pa lang sa lobby, mararamdaman mo na agad yung relaxing vibe. Super peaceful, clean, spacious, at ang ganda ng interiors. Plus super welcoming at helpful pa ng mga staff nila. We book one superior room with mountain view. May free breakfast buffet na included. Ito yung room namin, nasa 4th floor. Super spacious, malinis at organized. May 1 king size bed na sobrang comfy. Complete amenities na rin, may ref, kettle, complimentary water and coffee, cabinet for snacks, cable TV, working table, malaking cabinet with hangers, safety deposit box at full body mirror. Tip lang, don't forget to request slippers and laundry bags. Sa toilet and bath naman, super clean, mabango at kumpleto sa toiletries. May hair dryer, bath and face towel, plus separate towels na pwede mo gamitin sa pool or beach. May hot and cold shower na rin. Naupunta naman tayo sa amenities. Kung may kids kayo like us, super mag-i-enjoy sila dito. May Club Pico Kids Playroom with slides, ball pit, trampoline, at marami pang iba. For adult naman, ang daming activities: bowling, darts, billiards, music room, basketball, badminton, table tennis, at pickleball. Pwede kayong mag-rent ng equipment. Just make sure naka-proper attire kayo. Note ko lang, may extra fee ang ibang activities except sa swimming pool at fitness gym na free for guests. And guys, eto na yung swimming pool nila. Super laki, malinis, relaxing, at may separate area for kids and adults with a beautiful lagoon view. For food naman, may dalawang restaurant sila. Pico Restaurant and Bar, dito sinaserve ang breakfast buffet at dinner with lots of grilled options. Lagoa Restaurant, super steady, katabi ng pool, serving breakfast, lunch, merienda hanggang dinner. Yung breakfast buffet nila sobrang sarap at madaming choices. At kung Batanggenyo ka, ma-appreciate mo to. May Batangas Lomi, Bagoong Balayan, at Atsarang Kalaka, proudly local. Now let's talk about the beach. Hindi beachfront ang hotel pero walking distance lang, or pwede kang sumakay sa free shuttle. Parang Baguio ride anytime papunta at pabalik. Sobrang ganda ng beach, malinis ang tubig, pino ang buhangin, at may free lunch chairs. Marami ring water activities like jet ski, banana boat, UFO ride, or pwede ka lang mag-chill at mag-sunset watching. May beach bar din if gusto mo mag-drinks or snacks. Plus may night activities sila during weekends. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng staycation na maraming activities, super recommended ko ang Pico Sands Hotel. Perfect for families, barkada, or even couples. Promise babalikan nyo to kasi kulang talaga ang one night stay. We book by a clock for around 8,300 pesos per night with breakfast buffet na. If you're planning your summer staycation, pwede nyo rin itong i-book and gamitin ang promo code na Klukcha Family for discounts. Enjoy mga ka-travels. Don't forget to follow us for Magala tips. Bye!